What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Fix presented by BT Miners, your place for everything crypto. I'm your host, Ant. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button to let YouTube know, push our videos out to the algorithm. That's done, let's jump into it. In BT Miner news, in 2024, we are going harder than ever before with our repair services that we offer from downtime to prime time, the most reliable and dependable services around in this industry. From farms to fortune, elevate your mining experience with our new hosted facilities we have right now at BT Miners. We also have all the latest ASIC miners available as well. BT Miners is your place for everything crypto. All the links will be down in the description. Bitcoin had us on a roller coaster this month, reaching an all-time high of $73,000 and now at $63,000 during the time of this recording. I'm not going to lie, I really thought Bitcoin was going to reach 80K before the halving. This is not a prediction. I will leave that to the so-called experts in this space, from the wealthy people and other YouTube influencers. I can't wait to see how Bitcoin is going to shape out after the halving. I've been hearing Bitcoin may reach 100K before the end of the year. Bitcoin will increase if we are following the projections from past halvings. Let us know in the comments what price Bitcoin will reach by the end of the year. Here's some crypto street news. Bankman Fried still living delusion according to the new CEO of FTX. Word on these crypto streets, he may be facing 50 years for pretty much stealing. 50 years is a long time. I would be somewhat delusional myself, thinking I'm not going to do those 50 years. I'm going to appeal the sentence for something less. If I was rich with a touch of social awkwardness, I would believe I didn't do anything wrong myself. I only stole $8 billion from customers and gambled for my own greed. That's pennies to me. Do you believe Bankman Fried would get 50 years or he would get a lighter sentence? Let us know in the comments. This has been the Crypto Fix presented by BT Miners, your place for everything crypto. This is your man Ant. Until next time, happy mining.